Guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we solve the problem of maximum area between bars. So in that problem, the problem says that given an interior array height where height I represent the height of ith bar arranged in the row, find the maximum rectangular area that can be formed by selecting any two bars. The area is selected based on the original position of the selected bars. Means the problem very simple. The problem says that we have the height of the bars, and in that bar we have to take and find the maximum height, maximum areas will cover, right? So in that I just to compute and what is the reason and what we can do so we can get the great answer. So there is a very high chance if we can take the first one is the very maximum and second is the very and second, that means the left bar is the smaller and right bar is the maximum. If we can take this, then the high chance to cut to we get the rectangular bar is the maximum, right? So in that if we go on the brute force approach, the brute force approach is very simple. Just try to every possible approach, try to every possible bars and then compute it. So in that if I will explain the whole question, what how which type of we can take the left and the right. So see, this is our arrays of the height. Now we can see, is there which one is the minimum. So I think this is the minimum, and then that is the maximum. So the minimum is the, so we can so we can take is equal to what is uh, this one is the 5, which means we can take the h of 5, right? And then one more is the what is h is equal to 7. Now where here we can do like 5 5 and 7, 5 and 7. So we can do here, and the 5, what is the 5 of index 1, and what is the what is the index of 7, 1 0 1 2 3 4, 4 and 1, which means 3 and minus 1. Now the formula, if we can get any term of the our j, so j minus I minus 1, right? So now j is equal to our what is from the starting 1 minus I is equal to our 4, sorry 0 1 2 3 4, 4 minus what is the 1. So 4 minus 1 minus 1, which means what we can go get 2. So the answer is, so we can get 2. What is 2? 2 is our that means 2 is our index, index founding, and here is the what is the maximum, sorry minimum, so 5. So here is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10. That is very simple, and that's the approach here we can do. Great, and got it. Now we can go, we cannot go on the brute force if, and this is your task to write the brute force code and just to explain to me, right? This is the brute force code and this type we can run. So that's your task to write the brute force code and then send to out and paste in our uh, comment. I just write in the optimal code. And what is the optimal? Optimal, we can take the, if we can see, there is the chance, there is the left and the right. So whenever we can get left and the right, so we can use the two pointer approach, right? So here we can use the same two pointer approach. So what is, so int left is equal to 0 and right is equal to height of size minus 1, correct? Now int answer is equal to 0, while left right int width is equal to right minus left minus 1, correct? Now answer is equal to max of answer and mean of height of left and height of right, correct? And width, correct it? Now if height of left and height of right, and then left plus plus, else right minus minus, right, and then return answer. So this is the two pointer approach. Now I try to run it, compile it. It will compile successfully or not. Yes, it will compile. Try to submit it, so it will submit it or not. So I think yes, it will submit it. So I think you will got it. How can I write? Now it's your task to write the brute force approach here, saying how much you will approach yourself in a brute force. So thank you so much guys.